Hello, today I will show you how to open the device and what are the options for upgrading the device. First, it is necessary to unscrew 10 screws. Carefully remove the bottom cover of the device, under which is motherboard. The cover is held in the middle with a clip, so it was a little harder to separate. DDR5 memory. SSD drive. The device can be upgraded with 2 M.2 SSD drive. To remove the battery, I used two plastic pry tools and pushed down on both sides of the connector to separate it from the socket. There are still 3 screws you need to unscrew to remove the battery. Battery type. Charger type. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.